everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast, the place where we make learning English simple, fun, and practical. I'm your host, Jason.
And I'm Julia, your co-host. We're so excited to have you here with us today. If you're looking for ways to really improve your English, then you're in the right place.
Absolutely. Today's episode is a big one. We're talking about how to learn English by speaking. And no, you don't need to be perfect to start. In fact, starting to speak is how you get better.
Yes, so many learners focus only on grammar books or vocabulary lists, but speaking is the skill that brings everything together. And guess what? You can practice it anywhere, even if you're alone.
That's right. In this episode, we'll talk about why speaking is so important, the biggest fears and mistakes learners make, and practical ways you can start speaking today with or without a partner.
Plus, we'll give you some useful phrases to practice, daily speaking ideas, and a short role-play conversation that you can try at home.
So grab a notebook, get comfortable, or, hey, go for a walk and listen while you move. Let's dive into today's topic, learn English by speaking. All right, let's get into it. So, Julia, why do you think speaking is one of the most powerful ways to learn English?
Honestly, Jason, it's simple. Speaking activates your brain. When you speak, you're not just remembering words, you're using them. And using language is how we truly learn it.
Yes, exactly. It's like learning to ride a bicycle. You can read about bikes all day, but until you actually get on one and ride, you won't really know how.
That's such a great example. And when we speak, we have to think about vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and even emotion all at the same time. That kind of real practice makes you learn faster.
And it helps with confidence, too. When learners speak often, even in small ways, they start feeling less nervous about using English in real life.
Totally. And here's something interesting. Studies show that speaking helps you remember new words and phrases much better than just reading them or listening.
Yes, because when you speak, you connect the word to your mouth, your ears, and your brain. It becomes part of you, not just a word in your notebook.
That's powerful. So if you're listening right now and thinking, but my English isn't good enough to speak yet, we want to tell you, start now. Speak anyway. Don't wait for perfect.
Exactly. Speaking isn't just the goal of learning English, it's also the method. The more you speak, the faster you learn.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying. That's how progress happens.
So, to everyone listening, remember this. You don't learn to speak English by thinking about it. You learn to speak English by speaking it.
Beautifully said, Jason. All right, next we're going to talk about something that stops many people from speaking fear and how to overcome it. So now let's talk about something everyone faces when learning to speak English: fear. Jason, I think this is one of the biggest things that holds people back, don't you?
Oh, definitely. Fear is huge. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes, sounding funny, or being judged. And honestly, that fear can stop people from even trying to speak.
Yes. I've heard learners say things like, what if I say something wrong? Or, what if people laugh at my accent? But let's be real, everyone makes mistakes when learning something new.
That's right. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. The truth is, no one becomes fluent without going through a phase of messing up. Mistakes are part of the process.
Exactly. And here's another big mistake we see: learners waiting until their English is perfect before they start speaking. But perfection never comes first. Speaking helps you get there.
Right. It's like waiting to be fit before you go to the gym. It doesn't work that way. You start where you are and you grow by doing.
Another common issue is worrying too much about grammar. Many learners get stuck trying to speak a perfect sentence instead of just communicating a message.
That's a great point. Fluency isn't about speaking perfectly, it's about being understood. If you say, "I go yesterday market," people will understand. Later, you can fix the grammar.
Exactly. And we always say this, it's better to speak with mistakes than to stay silent and never practice.
So to anyone listening, don't let fear stop you. And don't wait for perfect. Your English is already good enough to start speaking today.
Beautifully said. And coming up next, we'll talk about something many learners ask us. How can I practice speaking if I don't have a partner?
All right. Now let's get to a big question we hear all the time. How can I practice speaking English if I don't have a partner?
Yes. And here's the good news. You can absolutely practice speaking even if you're by yourself. In fact, some of the best practice starts when you're alone.
One great method is called shadowing. This is where you listen to a native speaker, maybe in a podcast, movie, or YouTube video, and then repeat what they say at the same time, or just after.
Exactly. It helps you with pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. You can pause, repeat, copy the tone. It's like training your mouth and ears together.
Another great way is to talk to yourself in English. It may sound silly, but it works. You can describe what you're doing, how you feel, or what you see around you.
Right. For example, if you're cooking, say out loud, "Now I am cutting onions. They smell strong. I will add some salt next." You're creating English practice in your daily life.
You can also use voice recording apps. Record yourself speaking for 1 or 2 minutes about a topic. Then listen back. You'll hear your mistakes and your progress.
Yes, and these days there are even AI chatbots that you can talk to in English, like talking to a robot friend. It's great practice and you don't have to feel shy.
And don't forget one of our favorite tools, mirrors. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Watch your mouth move. See your confidence grow.
Love that one. The mirror gives you instant feedback and helps you get used to speaking with confidence and body language.
So remember, friends, no partner? No problem. There are so many ways to speak English by yourself. The key is to start small and do it every day.
Exactly. And next up, we're going to share some easy and fun daily speaking practice ideas that you can start using right away. So now that we know it's possible to practice speaking alone, let's talk about some easy daily ideas for speaking practice, even if you're just starting out.
Yes. The first one is my favorite morning talk time. Right after you wake up, talk to yourself in English for 1 minute. Say how you feel, what your plans are, or what the weather is like.
That's a great one, like good morning. I feel tired but happy. Today I will go to work. The sun is shining. Just simple sentences, but that daily habit builds fluency fast.
Another idea is to choose one object a day and talk about it. For example, if you pick a pen, say, "This is my pen. It's blue. I use it to write in my notebook." You learn vocabulary and practice speaking.
Love that. And here's a fun one, 2-minute English diary. Every evening, record a short voice message in English. Talk about your day. What did I do? What did I eat? How did I feel?
Yes, that's not only great for speaking, it also helps you build confidence and track your progress.
Here's another idea: practice speaking while watching English TV or YouTube videos. When a character says something and repeat it out loud, try to copy the tone and speed.
That's awesome for pronunciation and natural rhythm. And how about this pretend phone calls? Imagine calling a friend and talking in English. You can say, "Hi, how are you? I just wanted to say hello. Today was a busy day."
Yes, pretend conversations are powerful. You're still training your brain, even if no one's answering back.
And for those who love structure, try talking about one topic every day. Monday could be my family. Tuesday, my job. Wednesday, my favorite food. You get the idea.
So smart. That way, you review different vocabulary and train your brain to talk naturally about many subjects.
So, listeners, you don't need hours. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day with your voice, your phone, or your mirror can really improve your speaking.
Exactly, and if you're consistent, you'll see results. Next up, let's get even more helpful and share some useful speaking phrases for daily life.
All right. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts, useful phrases that English learners can practice every single day. These are expressions that are super common in real life.
Yes, and the great thing is, once you know these phrases, you can use them in so many situations. It's like building your speaking toolbox.
Let's start simple. Imagine you meet someone. You can say, "Hi, how's it going? Nice to meet you. What's your name?"
Exactly. And if someone asks how you're doing, you can answer with, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" "I'm doing well, not bad."
When you're in a shop or a restaurant, these are great. "Can I have this, please? How much is it? I'd like a coffee, please."
And when you're not sure about something, try saying, "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say that again, please?" What does that mean?
So useful. And if you're talking about your day, try "I woke up early today." "I went to work." "I had a busy day."
Yes, daily life phrases. And don't forget these polite expressions. "Thank you so much. Excuse me." "No problem. That's okay."
Here's an idea. Choose 3 phrases every day and say them out loud 5 times. Then, try to use them in your speaking practice.
Great tip. And here's another one. Keep a small notebook or note app and write down new phrases. Read and speak them every morning.
Remember, friends, it's not just about learning words. It's about using them. Speak them, hear them, repeat them. That's how they stick.
Exactly. Start small, practice daily, and soon these expressions will become a natural part of your speaking.
Coming up next, we'll talk about how to stay motivated and keep going with your speaking journey, even when it feels tough.
Okay, Jason, we've shared a lot of great tips and phrases so far, but here's something just as important: staying motivated and consistent.
Yes, learning to speak English is like going to the gym. You don't get strong in one day, but if you go every day, even for a short time, you'll see amazing results.
Exactly. So here are a few simple ways to stay on track. First, set a small daily goal. Even 5 minutes of speaking is enough. It's better to do a little every day than to study for hours once a week.
And reward yourself. After practicing, say "Great job," or enjoy a little treat. Positive feelings help build habits.
Also, track your progress. Keep a calendar and mark the days you practice. It feels so good to see all the check marks adding up.
And don't be too hard on yourself. You don't have to be perfect, just keep going. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, remember, every time you speak, you're getting stronger. Stay patient, stay proud, and keep your goal in mind.
You're doing better than you think. And the best part? You're not alone. We're here learning with you.
That's right. And now, as we come to the end of this episode, let's do a quick review of everything we've learned today.
Before we wrap up, let's make this more fun and practical with a quick scenario practice. We'll give our listeners a short conversation they can listen to and repeat.
Yes, let's imagine this situation. You're meeting someone new at school or work. Here's how a simple conversation might go.
"Hi, my name is Jason. What's your name?"
"Hi, Jason, I'm Julia. Nice to meet you."
"Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?"
"I'm from Italy. And you?"
"I'm from Canada. Is this your first day here?"
"Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous."
"Don't worry. You'll do great. Let's help each other practice English."
That sounds perfect. Now it's your turn, listeners. Pause this podcast and try saying both sides of the conversation out loud, or ask a friend to read with you.
Or even better, repeat after us. Let's go slowly this time. "Hi, my name is Jason. What's your name?"
"Hi, Jason, I'm Julia. Nice to meet you." Practicing like this every day will build your confidence step by step. Soon, real conversations will feel easier.
If you have questions or want us to make more practice scenes, send us a message or leave a comment. We'd love to include your ideas in future episodes.
Absolutely, your voice matters, and we're here to help you grow.
And now, before we say goodbye, we just want to leave you with a few final tips and a little encouragement.
If you take just one thing from today's episode, let it be this: don't be afraid to speak. Even small steps lead to big progress.
Exactly. Speak a little every day. Make mistakes. Learn from them. That's how real learning happens.
Be kind to yourself. You're doing something amazing by learning a new language. It takes time, but you're getting better with every word you say.
And remember, we believe in you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop learning.
We'll be right here with you in the next episode, helping you grow your English and your confidence.
Thanks for listening to the English Learning Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear how your English journey is going.
Take care, keep speaking, and see you next time.
Bye for now.